What's up, you guys? It's SRT here. Got another video. So yeah, I am trying to fix my what I don't know what you want to call it, splash guard under the car, a cover that goes under your car where you remove to do your oil changes or any engine work. So my car has a two-piece, which is right under the front bumper. There's one that goes like about halfway of the engine, and then there's another halfway that goes back. If it's not there, it's gonna create a lot of I don't know, I guess a lot of wind tunnel turbine inside the engine bay, and then I'll make the whole at a high speed. The engine will start just to wobble, like if it's gonna look like if it's gonna break off or fly off. But it usually happens about between 80 miles and up. And then so now it's now broken. Back then it used to get loose because it was getting wear out. Through time it wears out. Taking it off, putting it on, and then especially when you're removing the bumper. So I got through so many times. I took it off this front bumper so many times. And then it's like I'm used to it. So now there's 4 screws. There's 4 that holds the whole one piece in the back, but the 2 in the middle, they hold with the other side. So right now it's dangling down, so it's just, you can imagine just a plastic just kind of like this under the car. But I can imagine what the air is flopping or something, and then what air is getting in there, so it's creating like a bad aerodynamic with so let me show you guys. It's a lot easier. I don't know if you guys can see, see that okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the bottom of the lip and the bumper, but you guys see how all that plastic right here where my fingers, all this right here, this was dangling. So if I can push that up, see, it's straighter. It's all loose, but now it's better. But where it's gonna go, let me get under the car. Let me get under. Let me turn the camera. Let me flop this camera. I know it's gonna be a little weird. Okay, so my LEDs, they ended up ripping off right here. I try to put that screw back on, but this little plastic's no good no more. So as you guys can see, so screw goes here, it's already weared out. You kind of like breaking. I don't want to focus. Come on, focus. Come on, focus, little guy. Oh, okay. You guys see the screw that's back there? So it fell out of that hole. And then, well, the other one, you guys see it over there. I mean, it's blurry also. I don't know why it's getting blurry. You gotta touch the screen to focus it, but it's pretty much broken off from there, so it's not gonna grab no more. And then this plastic here, it starts from about here where the screws are at, and then it goes back there to the other 2. So this is where they do all the oil and oil filter drainage. But right here you don't require, I have to remove this one, but this is the piece that's going here. But this piece was going to cost from the dealer about like 165 bucks. I saw it on a website for about 85 bucks for just the cover that goes under here, which is ridiculous how expensive they are. But what I'm gonna do is to save some money. I spent like 9 bucks on some, some bumper. I don't know the name for it, but usually a lot of JDM vehicles have it. A lot of tuners and all that, which goes on the under bumpers. Let me just grab one of them and show you guys. Look for it. Let's see. Let me get out under the car. Alright. Let's see. Okay, so here they are. Those pieces. So these little guys, they're called quick release fastener kits. The ones that go on the side of the bumper, that would hold the bumper, right there, and then that rubber piece that would, hold from each side like that. So I am gonna use that to being cheap to you know, save some money, and then like that, I mean, instead of having to remove the screws all the time, you know, be a lot simple. I mean, if you have to do the oil, I usually just take out the screws from there, and then I'll drop, and then and then you unlatch, and we'll be all set. But so let me get to drilling the hole. I have to make the sizes for the hole for the screws, for these screws, and then yeah, so I can get this in there. So yeah, I'll be with you guys in a bit. Alright, you guys, so I'm down here. I'm wearing my glasses because, you know, debris. I got a drill and everything on the plastic. I don't know if you guys, let me flip the screen. I don't know if you guys can see them. So there's one of them right there, right here, this one, and then this one's a little extended more wide, since there is something that was a little bit blocking back here, like a plastic line behind this cover. And then I got this one here. It's still pretty tight on there, but I wish I can go a little more, but I don't want to create more holes. But it's still holding on there pretty good, which, you know, it doesn't look like it is, but it's gonna hold. Like, even if it pulls on, it's gonna, this is helping secure more. But yeah, this is my $9, well, yeah, I paid $9 for the bumper, the quick release bumpers, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, I mean, if you guys ever need them to, you know, for something like that, to keep something connected or plastic under your car, I mean, this is what I'm doing. But I mean, there's nothing wrong with my bumper, but I mean, if I'm really low or something, I might ever need them or something, you know. But I mean, this is me saving some money, so I'm doing it like the cheap way. Easy, you know, be easy for the oil change. All you do is just, instead of, you know, the screws are still there, but, you know, just unhook this, unhook that, and then you'll be able to get a little bit more room to get the screw. And then yeah, and then you got the other screws back here, right somewhere on over here, I can't see, right there. And then there's another one at the bottom over here. I want the other corner. But yeah, I mean, this is staying on. This is staying on too. But let me know what you guys think. I mean, if you guys got any questions, I mean, I know you guys are gonna probably be like, well, you're dumb, I guess. I mean, I don't know, but this is me being cheap. So peace.